Hey again, LinkedIn friends. Last video we talked about brownfield and cold aisle containment. Let me share some thoughts with you about hot aisle containment in a greenfield or a totally blank slate, brand new data center, purpose-built from the ground up. I would say that 90% or more of those applications that we're involved in, or that I'm involved in, or my team's involved in, are hot aisle containment. A lot of reasons for that, but not the least of which, if we can contain the hot aisle, segregate the hot exhaust air, and just focus on getting that air out of the data center, it allows us a much wider breadth of things that we can do with the supply side air, not the least of which is to operate that data center at a higher ambient temperature, which at the end of the day saves us money, reduces energy consumption, and that's really the goal behind containment in the first place. That's what we're seeing. Would love to hear from some of you folks who are maybe planning a new data center or have implemented a hot aisle containment solution. Maybe would like to talk to somebody from our team about different options and different things you could do with that space. So leave your comments here, get back to us. We'd love to get a dialogue going about hot aisle containment in your data center. Thanks, talk to you next time.